We do a lot of interior cleanings in our detailing business, and just about any time I mention the price, a lot of people are like, what? How are you able to charge that much? What in the world? I can't charge those prices. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a breakdown of the service, what's included, how long it took, and how much we charge. So let's get started. Now, our most popular interior service is our full interior cleaning. And the goal of this service is to clean the interior to the best condition possible. Now, that doesn't mean perfect. So every time we get a customer that wants the service, we do make it clear and set the proper expectations of like, okay, look, with this service, it's gonna, we're gonna do these steps, right? Which is cleaning all the plastics on the interior, the plastic and leather, shampooing the fabric surfaces like the seats, the carpet, and the floor mats. That is cleaning the headliner, and basically just getting it to as good as it can be. So it doesn't include your windows, your glass, and all that. Now, that doesn't mean every last stain or blemish or mark is gonna come out. So when we're talking to the customer, we make it very clear saying, hey, even though we're doing all these steps or we're gonna clean all these surfaces, which is everything, that doesn't necessarily mean everything will come out 100%. We might make it look better, we might reduce the stain, but that doesn't mean every single last stain or blemish will be removed. So the way I like to put it is like the interior will look 10 times better after we're done, but there still might be blemishes in the interior, because you have to really explain to the customer, look, it depends on how old the vehicle is, how old that stain is, has it been baking in the sun the entire time, how long did it take us to address this. So there's a few factors that'll kind of dictate how much we can pull out or just the end result of the interior. So although it's an extensive service, although we clean all the surfaces, it doesn't mean we're gonna work a miracle. And I want to say 9 out of 10 times a customer fully understands that. The customer is not looking for perfection. They just want to make it look better, and that's what we deliver. Even if we wanted to go for perfection, or even if the customer wanted to pay for perfection, we wouldn't be able to deliver that, because there are just some stains that are stains. They're going to stay in the fabric. They're going to stay in the interior, in the surfaces, and we can't do anything about it. So, and we've had it before in the past where a customer says, oh, well, you're not going to be able to remove those stains out, and we'll clearly say we won't, not that we won't be able to reduce it, but if you want us to remove 100% of it, we can't tell you that we can, because it's just the way things are. And not that we've lost customers, but we didn't take on customers if they had that type of mindset of like, oh no, but I want all of it out, because that's just gonna set us up for failure, because no matter how many passes we do, or what products we use, or what tools we use, not everything is going to come out. And a quick note to let you know that next Friday the 17th, I will be opening up enrollment into SEO for Detailers. This is my online marketing course that teaches you everything you need to rank your website on the first page of Google in your local area for a targeted keyword. So for instance, if you're in San Antonio, you'd want to get on the first page of Google for auto detailing San Antonio, car detailing San Antonio, mobile auto detailing San Antonio. So next week on Friday the 17th, I'll be opening up enrollment. You can join the waiting list in the first link down below. Okay, back to the video. Now, depending on the size, the condition, the level of expectations we want to meet, and what the customer wants, it can range, again, depending on a few factors. The interior cleaning can range between 200 to 320 to 360, and if you want to take it to the very extreme of an interior cleaning that requires smoke odor removal, we've charged $1,200 to $1,400 for an interior / smoke odor removal. So if it's that extreme and we are able to do the job as far as what they want, we'll charge, we'll charge to that high. Now again, a majority of the vehicles aren't to that extreme. So this one here was just $260, and it's a very straightforward detail. This is just about a very typical kind of interior that we see. where the seats are stained, the floor mats, the carpeting has a lot of dirt and debris. The plastic door panels are not clean by any means, but they're not like drenched and filthy. So it just needs an overall good cleaning across the entire interior to bring upside condition back to where the customer wants it to be. And again, these seats were heavily stained, and we're gonna pre-cheat them accordingly to make sure we just get the best results that we can. But we tell that to the customer, hey, look, like these stains will make them look better, but especially with this Corolla interior that you have, it's like, you know, it's infamous for like for the fabric and the carpeting or the fabric to start wicking again. So we'll make it look better, but man, I honestly can't tell you how much of this we're going to remove until we actually go and try it. And that's a big thing, whether it's interior or exterior. We say this often, I won't know until I try it. Because I can just speculate and guess and assume the results I might get, but until I actually put a machine to it, right? Until I actually start polishing it, until I actually start extracting it, I won't know how much I can remove or how much better I can get it until I actually start working on it. And here's the thing I really want to focus on, that you might hear this and you're like, whoa, man, I bet you those detailers are charging a lot over there in Houston, Texas. And it's like, no, because if we go down the street, right, there's plenty of other detailers that are not charging anything close to our pricing. So why is it that if, you know, that we're charging so much higher prices, but then down the street, there's other detailers that'll do way more work for like half the price, right? So the reality is, in your area, in your market, there's probably other detailers that are charging twice as much as you are, 3 times as much as you are, and yet you're there thinking, well, no one can charge high in my area because that's just the market. It's like, no. It's more so of your marketing, of your confidence, and how you communicate your services to the customer, right? Like, there are detailers in my area that are saying to other detailers in other areas that they watch on YouTube, oh, I wish I could charge those prices in my area. And it's like, you most likely can, you just don't have the right game plan to execute to attract the right type of customers that are happy and willing to pay a premium price for those services. Because then that's the other part, is you have to attract the right type of people into your business that are willing and happy and able to pay for your premium services, right? If you want to charge whatever amount it is in your area, right, $200 for interior detailing, right? Let's say that's high for your area. Well, are you attracting the customers that want the most, you know, the top-notch, high-quality services? Like, are you attracting that type of group to your business, or are you attracting the type of customer that wants a quick in and out, that wants to spend $50 for both a car wash and the interior cleaning, right? Those are two completely different types of businesses. If you're attracting the high-quality leads that want quality service, that are willing to pay, that they for sure want someone to take care of their vehicle that has a good reputation, that's reliable, that's reputable. That type of customer and the customer that just wants a quick in and out for $50, those are two completely different businesses that you're running with those types of segments. So that comes back to your marketing, right? Like, are you focusing on, you know, actually having a marketing channel that's generating a consistent flow of qualified leads on a daily basis, right? Is your customer experience great? Is your customer service fantastic? Are you even offering an actual great end result with your services? So there's a lot of areas to focus on in order to get to that point of charging whatever you want to charge in your business. So I'm going to end the video right here. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions about pricing or anything that we do, or if you have any questions about your business, just let me know in the comment section down below. Again, next week on Friday the 17th, I will be opening up enrollment into my online marketing course, SEO for Detailers. So if you are looking to have a more reliable source of leads coming into your business on a daily basis, then search engine optimization could be right for you. It's what's helped us grow past $10,000 per month in our detailing business. You can get on the waiting list in the description box down below, and you can also download everything else, like the ultimate guide to start your detailing business. You can check out my podcast, the Detailing Business Class podcast, or if you want to check out our second YouTube channel, the Proper Care channel, where we talk and teach everything detailing related. It'll all be linked in the description box down below. I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to everyone on the next one. Bye-bye.